I'll deal with you later. Forgot the keys. Tschüss, Eve. They don't look so good. Don't look good at all. Time to get to the bottom of this. This car is so little. Barely fit in. But what I can't hear is a noise from the brake.
It sounds like something's falling off.
So that's good, I guess. I still want to have the brakes looked at because when it comes to brake, there's literally no excuses, and Maree is driving the car and I just wanted her to be safe. So, luckily, a new friend from YouTube, Lorenzo, he reached out to me today and he said, yeah, my mechanic, I have a mechanic close to Pisa, and I called him and he is available and you can just drop by. So that's where we're going now. And the braking wobble is still there. Can you see that? So, but it's only while braking. Just speed up a little bit. Yeah, still there. Hey, the man. Hello. Hi. That was €3.30. This is my new friend. Hi. Hi, how are you doing, man?
It's great to meet you.
Hi, great to
Mark.
meet you too. Great to meet you too. Yeah.
I have my Panda Fiat.
Yeah.
You can go with me. We go to Ettore.
Yeah, I'll follow.
To control if he can.
Yeah.
It's very great to meet you.
Nice to meet
You are
you
a
too,
great
man.
man.
Yeah, thank you. What a nice man. That's so funny about the YouTube thing. For him, it's like meeting a friend. For me, it's like I've never seen him before in my life. So, it's always a fun experience to meet viewers.
Okay.
Hey.
I called in the morning
Yeah.
and he said that you can go. He said me that if the problem is to resolve in a few hours, okay.
Yeah.
After maybe you can one day, maybe.
Oh,
maybe.
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's
it
okay.
depends from the problem. I think that calipers they are very hot. Maybe. But you are great. Problema da Bologna. Che viene dalla Germania, sta facendo il giro del mondo con una Jeep e con una moto elettrica.
We look the
papier,
yeah.
document
Yeah.
for the number of the round. Okay.
Yeah. A lot of discussing now. Don't know what's going on. This is 1300.
Questo.
It's just a little engine.
Non esiste.
It probably has to stay here overnight. Okay.
There is? Oh, maybe yes.
Oh yeah.
He will call me after the check and I say you what
Perfect.
the problem may be. Yes?
poi visto che lascia le corse
Because it's a no good period now. It's
No,
Christmas.
it's terrible. It's really terrible.
Mine is no problem for
No problem.
It's okay. Thanks, man.
So, thank you very much.
Ci sentiamo.
Good
allora, ti faccio
B&B.
sapere.
Check, check.
Goodbye.
Ciao
Thank you
Ettore.
very much.
Thank you. So I'm in Lorenzo's car now, and he drives me back to the Airbnb because they have to let the Jimny there overnight because they have to look at it, and tonight is just too late. But they will give me a call tomorrow. They will tell me what's up and what
Maybe
it costs.
today.
Maybe
They call.
today. Maybe
Yes.
today they go. They will call you, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
he called me.
Yeah, they will call Lorenzo, and Lorenzo will call me, and it's really cool that I have a friend here helping me and translating, and because that is very difficult if you don't speak the language. It's hard to explain the problem, but Lorenzo did everything for me, and he also drives me home now. That is really, really cool. Okay, back at the apartment. Lorenzo brought me back home. Such a nice guy. I hope we can get Jimmy back tomorrow. That would be nice. Good night, Eve.
Teenage dirtbag baby.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh man, I feel like wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
Is it fixed? What's the video?
They have a look at it now.
Tonight?
Yeah, I hope they did it already. They will call.
Oh, wow.
They will call us tomorrow and then
Tell us, like, the issue.
and what it costs.
Whatever is fine, as long as he's safe.
See you tomorrow.